Nikki here at Green Clean Designs. I just wanted to let you know we have office chairs ready to go. A bunch of different styles would make great task chairs for your home office. We also have some in quantity, so if your regular office needs them, we could do that too. And then also we have a standing desk. We have several of these as well that we could get to you ASAP. And then here are our file cabinets. So you can see this is a mobile file cabinet with a cushion. It's called a mobile ped, and these are ready to go too. So all the items we have here at Green Clean Designs are local to Kansas City, ready to go. You can see BB in the background, and we can get that to you as soon as you need it. Or you can also stop by and see us at Grandview and pick it up yourself.